Congratulations, Mayor Shao of City of Iligan. Yes, Mayor from all the way from Mindanao here in Metro Manila. Can I get for your reaction? Kasi alam natin sa Mindanao ay konti lang ang nabigyan ng award ng ARTA at ang City of Iligan ay isa doon.
Well, unang-una, I think this is the first time wherein the LGU Iligan has been awarded an ARTA or ARTA compliance na award. So isang malaking privilege to para sa amin dahil bago kami na, we're just on our first term as for this administration. Yung first term ko pa lang ngayon. So happy tayo at very proud. And syempre nakita natin yung benefit nito. Unang-una, syempre mas happy, mas nagiging madali for our clients, especially the business people of our place. And then nagiging somehow it became a catalyst for other divisions within the office, within the LGU to somehow deliver what is necessary for the development of the economic sector, the economy of Iligan. So malaking tulong to dahil it not only brings pride to us, but as well as yung para siyang nagiging parang first time kasi ito nangyari sa amin, para siya nagiging kumbaga pride sa akin, being the mayor, pride ng mga empleyado galing sa PPLO office, and then para siya nagiging again, catalyst or the primer,
the synergy,
the primer within the LG organization to somehow do better, no? So it's a challenge to somehow maintain this. Kasi nandito na yan eh. So we have to maintain everything and hope we can get the same award or even better next time.
Thank you po, Mayor, and again, congratulations.